Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to place for detailed, honest breakdowns of top-rated products on the market. Today, we're reviewing what we consider the best essential oils set, Lavender and Peppermint by Sedbuwza. Whether you're into aromatherapy, DIY candles, massages, or just love a fresh-smelling home, this might be the perfect addition to your collection. Let's dive in. First impressions. The Sedbuwza Lavender and Peppermint Essential Oil Set comes in a compact, sleek package, containing two 10ml amber glass bottles. These aren't just for aesthetics. The amber glass is designed to block harmful UV rays, preserving the quality and aromatic benefits of the oils inside. The scent duo in this set is a popular one for good reason. Lavender, known for its calming and sleep-inducing properties, is perfect for unwinding after a long day. It gives off a sweet, floral aroma that's natural and not overpowering. Peppermint, on the other hand, delivers a clean, refreshing kick, ideal for boosting focus or clearing your headspace. Together, these two scents offer a harmonious balance of relaxation and invigoration. Now, on to the purity. Sedbuwza claims these are pure essential oils, extracted without any additives or fillers. The lavender oil is sourced from real lavender flowers, while the peppermint oil has that authentic menthol edge. From the texture to the scent throw in a diffuser, these oils do feel unadulterated. The peppermint especially carries that crisp, almost medicinal note that you'd expect from high-quality oil. Using them is as easy as it gets. Just add a few drops to your diffuser and the room fills with a calming yet uplifting fragrance within minutes. They're also perfect for mixing into unscented massage oils, bath soaks, or homemade candles and soaps. If you're into DIY, this set is a fantastic starter, especially with its versatility across use cases. Just be sure to dilute properly if you're applying to the skin. Speaking of usage, these oils go a long way. The included droppers make it easy to control the quantity, so you're not wasting a single drop. And because they're quite potent, even a few drops are enough to fill a space with scent. The compact 10ml bottles may seem small, but with proper use, they can last weeks, if not months, depending on how often you use them. Another thing that stands out is the price point. For a pack of 2 essential oils with this level of quality, it's surprisingly affordable. That's probably why it's earned Amazon's Choice badge and maintained a solid reputation. Overall, the Sedbuwza Lavender and Peppermint Essential Oil Set checks nearly every box. It's beginner-friendly, versatile, cleanly extracted, and doesn't break the bank. Whether you want to elevate your self-care rituals or just need your home to smell amazing, this duo is a great bet. If you value natural fragrance, soothing yet energizing aromas, and a product that performs across multiple uses, then yes, absolutely. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the best products out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.